Madam Speaker, I rise to support the 2017-18 national budget tabled before this August House. Madam Speaker, I commend this budget as pro-youth and pro-sports development, as announced by the Honourable Attorney General and Minister for Economy. A large part of the Ministry's increase of 6.7 million is aimed at sports development and Fiji's international sports participation. Madam Speaker, as a sportsman myself, I would like to make special mention of the initiative by my ministry in requesting 120,000 grant to be allocated to promote physical activity and inclusive sports participation for persons with disabilities. Our Constitution envisages a Fiji which is inclusive, and we believe this new initiative will harness social inclusion through sports. It will encourage mainstreaming of sports people with a disability into our able-bodied and hearing federations. It will ensure that sports persons with a disability are acknowledged by sports people first and foremost. This will certainly complement the proposed legislation and the UN Convention on the Rights of Persons with Disabilities. Madam Speaker, the Ministry acknowledges our national sports organizations that promote inclusive sports and will continue to support their progress to achieve inclusive sports participation and encourage other sports federations to follow suit. Through an initiative by my ministry, we have been able to apply successfully for a grant to promote physical education for students with a disability, which will be managed by the Fiji National Sports Commission. Further, in the past 2 years, 2 female athletes with a disability have scooped the National Sportswoman of the Year award, which they truly deserve. With such positive role modeling, the future for disability sport in Fiji looks bright. We are aware, Madam Speaker, that sport alone cannot address all challenges facing people with disabilities. However, these developments display our ongoing commitment to address these needs, using sport as a vehicle to make a valuable contribution towards national development. We will promote inclusive sports to harness change in how communities think and feel about people with disabilities through reducing stigma and discrimination. Through this new initiative, Madam Speaker, we hope to empower disabled persons to change how we think and feel about themselves and reduce isolation through the promotion of maximum participation in public life. Madam Speaker, sport is a useful and cost-effective tool to build and foster networks. Inclusive sport promotes participation by bringing people together, facilitating interaction and providing accessible programs to all. Recognizing this, my ministry will work with the RFMF and Fiji Police Force to